Hello and welcome to Traders Profit House. How are you all? How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today I'm going to show you an awesome expert advisor which is working on volatility 75 index and also is awesome expert advisor for boom and crash. So let's get started and see the all accuracy of this robot. I will paste the investor password in this video description so you guys will check and chat with us how this expert advisor is actually working. This is totally based on scalping, one candle, two candle. Okay, this robot is not for long-term trade, not for swing trade. This is just for scalping. When the entry come, buy and sell, the boat quickly scalp and close with trailing stop feature, with also buy and sell feature, with also stop loss feature for volatility 75 index, 1S index and the pure 75 index. Also this robot is working for boom and crash. Let me show you. This is the history. This is the last week history, not a custom history. So let me show you. This is all history by the robot. I will paste this link in description. Look here, we are running this robot on VPS. Look here, I'm using investor password, and look here, a few losses and made very good profit in boom and crash and volatility 75 index. As you guys look in front of you, look here, a very good capital making a profit continuously. And let me show you the boom and crash also so you guys will see. Look here, volatility 75 index is working. Look here, a few losses, look here, okay, and made good profit. Look here, and let me show you what robot did. Deposit was $360, withdraw 193, and the profit 154. And look here, this is the last week performance. Is the deposit $205, totally on a boom and crash. Look here, it is totally boom and crash, totally on boom and crash. I will paste the investor password in this video description. You guys will go and check how actually this robot is working. Okay, this is really very good and awesome expert advisor. Let me show you the two result. This is the $41. Okay, and this robot is working really very awesome. Okay, we are running this robot on our VPS and it's really working very good. So I hope you guys understand, and if you guys interested, please check the description and all details in the description. Before you message your contact with us, please clearly read all instructions and check this account and come chat with me. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Wish you best of luck and best trading. And I will request you guys, please hit the subscribe button, also press the bell icon so you guys receive latest videos notification on right time. Thanks for watching.